How to put your Xbox controller in Bluetooth pairing mode. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put your Xbox controller in Bluetooth pairing mode so that then you can connect it to your iPhone, Android phone, iPad, anything via Bluetooth. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, all we need to do is hold down the Xbox button and the pairing button on the top at the same time until the light starts blinking rapidly. So once it starts blinking like that, it is now in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now we can go to our device. I got an iPhone right here. I opened up the settings, select Bluetooth, and make sure that the light is still blinking rapidly. And you should see your Xbox wireless controller come up. Select that. You'll see the blinking. If it asks you to pair, go ahead and select pair. And once you do that, you'll see the blinking slow down and stop on your Xbox controller. It is now connected. And if you play any games such as Fortnite or anything like that on your phone, your Xbox controller will control those games. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.